After Hamster combat chaotic and bad listing, a lot of miners' expectations were cut off. And what is it in this very token? Can this token hit $1 in the heat of the bull market? For those of us holding Hamster, that we got the token from this very airdrop, are we still going to hold till the heat of the bull market and this token hit $1? And also for Catizen, can Catizen do up to $5 and $10? All of these in this very video. So watch this video all the way to the very end. If you are new to this channel, please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Hamster combat listing have come, and right now almost all major exchanges have this token on their platform, and the price for me is going to go back to the downside. If you look at the price right here, can this very token hit $1 in the heat of the bull market? From this very listing price of 0.0009, that 309, all the way to this very point, market begin to drop back down. Within 24 to 48 hours, we see the market begin to come back to the downside. And with the Fibonacci retracement too, if you draw from here where the price started and up to this very point, you discover that this market have to still retrace. For me, market still have to come back to the downside from this very point of 0.382 on the Fibonacci retracement tool at this very point, and this very area of 0.5, that is a 50% retracement level of the Fibonacci retracement tool. That is where I am expecting this market to come back down into, and then from here we're going to see the market begin to move all the way to the upside. So if you get this token and you are still holding like myself, leave a comment below in the comment section of this very video, because I believe that if you hold a token in the heat of the bull market, you should have a significant return compared to those that sold off immediately after the listing and maybe at this very point. So this is what I am expecting right now. Market should come back down from where it is right now at this very area, come back down into this very zone of 0.382 on the Fibonacci and 0.5. Then from here, we're going to see the market begin to move all the way to the upside. And this is what I am personally expecting right now on this very price chart. And if you look at the on-chain data for Hamster, you discover that Hamster right now have a market capitalization of $372 million. And if you look at the total supply is 100 billion of this very token, which is equal to the max supply, and the circulating supply is 64.38% of the total supply, which is 64.3 billion Hamster token in circulation right now, which means in the hands of the community and also with the team. And this is very important. So can this very token hit $1 in the heat of the bull market? So if you say Hamster is going to hit $1 in the heat of the bull market, you are indirectly or directly saying that Hamster is going to get $64.3 billion in market capitalization. That means this capitalization right now is going to increase up to this amount at $1 per token. And personally, I don't see that coming. The possibility for me is only 30%, since anything can happen in the crypto space. So for me, I don't see this happen at $1 because it's going to give this $64.3 billion in market capitalization. What I am looking at personally from this very technical standpoint and also from this on-chain data, I am looking at Hamster do $0.1 in the heat of the bull market. That is, this very price should cancel 2 zeros, 1, 2, okay, and move up to 0.1. So at 0.1, and if this circulating supply remains the same, that is going to give 6.4 billion in market capitalization, which is very, very possible in the heat of the bull market. And this is 80% to 90% is going to be possible at $0.1 per token. And this can also move a little bit to the upside if we see a very drastic increase in the heat of the bull market in 2025 to 0.5. So Hamster at 0.5 is going to give a market capitalization of $32 billion, which is also a possibility for me, but that is 60%. Okay. And this is what I am looking at right now. So Hamster at $1 from this technical analysis and on-chain data, I don't see that coming true. That is only 30% for me. The possibility is very, very small. But at 0.1 and 0.5, that is a very wide range possibility for me in the heat of the bull market in 2025 for Hamster. Catizen right here, markets have been maintaining strength after 24 hours of listing. Look at it here. Market move all the way from this very price level of 0.08 of this very listing and then move all the way upward to this very point, maintain strength for about 24 hours before it begin to move all the way to the downside. So for me, this token is about to move upward using the Fibonacci retracement tool from this very point of listing all the way to this very area where we see this very candle close. To this very point, market is still going to come back down a little bit. So I am expecting the market to come back down into this very point of 0.5 on the Fibonacci retracement tool at this very point, and on 0.618, that is a 61.8% on the Fibonacci retracement tool at this very point as well. So still expect this market to drop down into this very point, and then from this very level of 0.44 price to this very area of 0.55, I am expecting the market to begin to move all the way to the upside. So consider this very zone an important level for the market to move all the way to the upside for Catizen. And this is what I am personally looking at right now. A little drop into this very area before the market will begin to move all the way to the upside technically. And if you look at the on-chain data on coin market cap, Catizen market cap is $185 million, and this token have just 1 billion in total in max supply, as you can see at this very point. And if you look at the circulating supply, this is just 305 million token in circulation right now. So if this remain constant in the heat of the bull market, that is if they did not release more token into circulation, and we have 305 million token in circulation, can Catizen hit $5? I see that a possibility, because at $5 with this very circulating supply, we're going to have 1.5 billion in market capitalization for Catizen, and at $10, which is also a possibility, we will have $3 billion in market capitalization for Catizen as well. So this is my own price prediction. I am looking at Catizen moving all the way up to $5 and $10 in the heat of the bull market in 2025. So if you look at Catizen and Hamster, between these two tokens, I am expecting Catizen to move up to $10, and for Hamster, the max I am expecting is 0.5 in the heat of the bull market. So if you get these two tokens as a result of mining, keep it. Market is going to do well in 2025. Now, between Catizen right at this very point and Hamster, which one is going to do better? Now, for you to get that, you need to consider the total number of tokens in circulation right now and the max supply of the two tokens. Not only that, you need to consider the community and the team behind this very token. Not only that, the value that this token is offering. So for Catizen, I believe the market is going to increase far way more compared to Hamster. So if you are considering buying any of these tokens, I don't see Hamster a good buy, even if the price drop all the way to the downside. But Catizen below $1 right now where it is a good buy if you don't have this very token and if you want to consider buying it. Okay, but Catizen above $1 at this very price level is not a good buy anymore, because it is above $1. And for me, if it is above $1, it is overpriced. And right now is the best time to buy if you want to buy more into your portfolio. This market can reach $5 and $10 in the heat of the bull market in 2025. This is my own personal opinion and expectation. So for you, what do you think in the heat of the bull market for Catizen and Hamster? Do you believe Catizen can hit $5 or $10 in the heat of the bull market and Hamster go all the way to 0.5? Comment below your price prediction in the comment section of this very video. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video. Subscribe right now and turn the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto and educational content. Thanks for watching.